Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for SUI price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting for the overview here. On the daily, we are looking at an A, B, C toward the upside with an impulse here, potentially as well 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Two bullish scenarios where you have finished, of course, A, B, and a C. You're looking for a three-wave corrective toward the downside, potentially inside this blue box, and then continuation toward the upside for a wave C impulsively, of course, three waves up, three waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. In the second bullish scenario, we have 1, 2, and potentially a wave 3 here. However, as you can see, we're very close to the invalidation level here for this impulse, where your wave 4 is not allowed, of course, to interfere with your zone 1. So very close, of course, for this invalidation, and if taken, of course, we cannot consider this scenario anymore as an impulse toward the upside. Another bullish scenario is, of course, a double 1, 2. You have already finished a 1, 2 here. You have the second 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5 toward the upside, of course, for much higher and ultimate bullish scenario. In your bearish scenario overview, you have, of course, a bigger correction here as a big three waves toward the downside to hit a wave B. You have finished a wave A, and potentially, of course, here you're looking for something as a wave B, and then, of course, one more wave for a wave C in A, B, C, of course, and then continuation toward the upside and higher possibility, of course, for three waves down, three waves up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave C. Let's take a closer look, of course, on the current wave. On the 4-hour chart, we can see this current wave right now is a kind of double 1, 2s here. We have 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 to finish your wave 3, or potentially a wave A. And of course, you have a triangle A, B, C, D, E for your wave 4, of course, that you have finished exactly here. And after this, we're looking here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, this wave 5 has failed to reach the low. And that means, of course, that's still something unfolding here. It might be, of course, a bigger impulse or a contracting diagonal, where we are gonna end, of course, this impulse or this wave A in an ending diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. If we get closer on the 1-hour chart, you can see this is our blue box, a very nicely hit, of course, as expected before. We have finished here a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for an ending diagonal. Of course, we're looking for a wave 4 in diagonal here, and then we still need one more wave toward the downside to finish, of course, this ending diagonal, and finishing with it, of course, a wave A. Meaning, in a bigger picture here, we're looking, of course, for a big wave A toward the downside, finishing with this ending diagonal, and then three-wave corrective, and then wave C toward the downside, and moving for higher prices again. In case we finish short, of course, as ABC somehow like this, it can be, of course, a possibility, but you would like to see, of course, a signal of strength. 5 waves up, 3 waves down, continuation toward the upside, breaking this high, and confirmation of bullish scenario. Our targets for this wave 5 are the following, given with the fib level. Here we go. So if we take now the wave 5 fib level taken from the wave 2 here, and we have a wave 5 in a diagonal, we are looking exactly inside this blue box. As you can see, preferably to hit, of course, the perfect fib level between $2.19 and $2, which of course is in confluence somehow with this big blue box, which it is already our target, right? So potentially there is a possibility even to move for higher from there for SUI. We're gonna see how this is gonna unfold. Trade safe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.